Hello everyone, welcome back to another great episode of Raihanna's Cuisines. Today we are making a gluten-free version of the Bachemal or white sauce. If you want to learn how to do this, let's go ahead and review all the ingredients. So for the ingredients, I'm going to be using 3 tablespoons of unsalted butter. Now, if you want to make this dairy-free, go ahead and use 3 tablespoons of ghee, or you could use a dairy-free butter if you like. I've got 3 tablespoons of gluten-free flour. I've got 1 cup of almond milk. I've got salt to taste, and I'll also be adding a little bit of black pepper in there, and that's completely optional. So let's get started. Okay, we're gonna let this melt. Now I'm going to go ahead and add our flour in here. We're gonna mix it and we're gonna cook this just until you can see a little bit of the color changing. And it'll smell really good, so you know that it's completely cooked. All right, so we're just gonna cook this just enough where it's gonna become a little bit light brown. You can see that the color has changed a little bit and it smells really, really good. I don't want to cook it more, so this is the time I'm going to go ahead and add our milk in here. This is almond milk. Get my whisk out, just whisk it just to make sure that I don't get any lumps in there. And you can see that it has started thickening really quick. All right, at this point I am going to lower my heat and I'm going to add a little bit more of the almond milk in here so it's nice and saucy. So you might have to adjust the milk when you make it, because it also depends on the type of gluten-free flour that you are using. You also want to start when you feel like it's thick, add a little bit of almond milk. Don't add too much, because then once it's too watery, it's going to be hard to thicken it back up again. You can see the consistency at this point. This is a beautiful consistency. All right, so I'm going to take it off the stove. At this point, I'm going to go ahead and season it with a little bit of salt. I'll also add a little bit of black pepper in it. And I would say half teaspoon of black pepper. And now you have a Bachemal sauce, which is gluten-free ready, and you can make it dairy-free as well. So our gluten-free Bachemal sauce is ready. It's amazing. It's approved by my daughter, and it also tastes amazing. So thank you so much for joining me on this episode of Raihanna's Cuisines. Hope you can join me here next time with another great video. If you haven't watched my video on how to make a spaghetti casserole, which is also gluten-free, go ahead and check out. I'll put up a card up here so you can check that recipe out.